So about 5 years ago, we identified the need to expand our building, give us room to grow, give us something that was modern, better environment for our employees, better lighting. All of those things were achieved with this building. We found the building 2 years ago, purchased it. It took us about a little over a year to do the construction and then make the move, and we couldn't be happier. The advantages this give us, the room for growth, it's just phenomenal. So our employees have a place they're proud of, and we're proud to share with our guests. The potential of this facility for our customers is unlimited. We've designed this in a way that we can do hands-on testing, materials, product, and really for developing the innovation that we see going forward using AI, robotics, putting that all together and then tying that information together into one package and using that. This facility is really designed to give us an advantage and be able to do that with all of the people, all the equipment, all in one spot. So it sets us up for growth in the future that we didn't have before.